Hello and greetings. Welcome to this video. Here we are going to address those who stand a lot and hunch, and those are aimed at doctors and nurses or whoever who's actually standing up and really hunching and focusing on doing something. So today is where we will balance our body with a yoga flow, working onto the back, opening up the chest and stretching out the legs. Now, if you are a follower or you've been seeing the last couple of my videos, I do have a little structure where we slowly warm the body up and then move into a certain flow before we also settle back down. So let's begin. We're going to start off with lying on our backs. So if you have a mat, you can use it. If not, you can find a space, maybe at your lunchtime or after your work time. If you don't have an area where you can lie on your back, please feel free to find one, because lying on your backs helps the whole body to reset and find their grounding again. So just lying on your backs, hugging your knees in and just holding it here, feeling the back resting firmly on the ground. Then finding your breath, just taking a breath in and out. Slowly, if you like, you can rock from side to side. And we're just giving our back a really nice massage. So as you roll from one side to the other. And then we're going to come into a child's pose. So a child's pose is when you bring your knees to your chest. You want to bring them wide. And then just kicking your heels up. Grab the back of the knee and just pull your knees downwards. The other option is to grab the outside of your heel or the inside of your heels. And the idea is to really bring the knees down and open up your hips. Option to stay here because we're really pushing the spine into the floor. Or same thing, if you want to give your back a nice rub, just rock from side to side. When we are doing so much things at a certain pose, we need to reset. So when you're standing and hunching a lot, the best thing you can do is to give the body a good stretch. So extend the legs, extend the arms. Breathe in as you stretch yourself, just like waking up from bed. And then releasing down. If you want to, you can grab your fists or lace your fingers. You can breathe in and stretch. Then exhale and release. Bending your knees, making your way up. So just rolling to the side or just grabbing yourself up. Whee! Alright, we're going to start off with a flow. So you can find any parts of your mat. Bring your feet together. You just want to pull yourself straight up. Roll the shoulders back. Or alternatively, little squeeze in the shoulder blades so that we work the back muscles and pull open the chest. So first round, we're just going to learn the sequence. And then second, third round, put some breath in. Third round, we're just going to flow. So into your mountain or Tadasana. Extend your mountain, bring your arms up. Into a fold, so tip your hip and come down to the ground. Then into a flat back, so hands on your shin or thighs. Inhale as you lean forward, so lift your chest halfway up. And then exhale and fold. So we're going to repeat the cycle again. Just bend your knees. Inhale as you extend your mountain and stretch up. Exhale as you fold, so exhale through the nose or mouth. Then breathing in into flat back, so just press into your thighs as you lean forward. Then exhale to fold. One more time, inhale as you rise again, so keep the back rounded. Pull your spine up, nice sensation. Exhale as you fold down, relax the shoulders, tuck your head under. And then inhale, flat back. Pull the shoulders back, then exhale and fold. Staying in your fold, you can keep your feet together or just bring it slightly apart. This time just sway from side to side, or you can twist your body however your body feels like doing. Just let your hand hang Forwards and backwards. You can swing the arms, be a bit like a gorilla, and then finding your stillness here. Start to move the head, so shake it slightly side to side, forward and backwards. A little twist, little twist. Alright. And then we're going to come back down to the ground. So bending your knees, find your child's pose. So toes together, knees are wide. We're just shifting our hips back and down, extending our arms, and dropping our head down. Take a breath in, press into the floor, and then exhale and release the arms right through. And then stretching out our shoulders. So bring your right arm below the chest. Extend your arms out. Palm can face the ceiling or the floor. And your eye gaze is to the palm. Try to rest your head if it's not possible. See if you can open up your knees and sit back in the chest. Once you're here, you feel nice deepening down your shoulders. Take a breath in and take a breath out. Feel free to close your eyes. We're going to switch sides. So use your in breath to lift the body up. Your out breath to extend the arms. Extending the arms all the way. And then breathing in and out. Alright. Nice. So coming back to the mat. Come on all fours into your knees should be hip width apart. Your hands are shoulder width apart. We're going to start by mobilizing the spine a bit more into your cat and cow. So rounding the back, pushing your palms down. Tuck your chin in. Hold for a bit. And then resetting. This is important here to engage your mid-back. So roll the shoulders back. Push your belly down to open up through your abs. And bring your shoulders away from the ears. You want to feel the engage down the lats and the triceps as you press into the palms. I'm going to try that with breath. So rounding the back again, tuck your chin in and press into the ground. So we feel the engagement down the core, opening up the back slightly. You don't have to go full length on this one. The full length you should concentrate is the back bend. So dropping the belly down, looking ahead, and roll the shoulders back, engaging the back muscles. Cool, one more time. So breathing in and out. And then dropping the belly down, looking ahead, and pulling the arms back. Nice, just come into your neutral spine, a bit of a child's pose as we lean back. We're going to move into another flow again. I call it the mini plank series. Same thing, 3 rounds. We learn the first round, second round, put breath in, third round, we just flow. So we're going to start off with a half plank. A half plank is when you're all fours. Just walk your knees back slightly and shift your weight forwards. Or you can walk forwards a bit more, making sure the shoulder is stacked onto the wrist. This is a half plank. If it's too much, you can shift your weight slightly back. First one here. Second one is a push down or a chaturanga they call it. We bend the elbows, bring it towards the ribs, and we just come all the way down. Come all the way down. Right, keeping your hands by your ribs, elbows locked back into a cobra. So we're lifting the chest halfway up. Now I'm going to use the back muscles to lift the chest. So really roll the shoulders back and down. And I want you to be light on the hands. So your back muscle is literally lifting you up. Then we come back into your child's pose. So big push, working the upper body and releasing into your child's pose. Right, second round learning with breath, and we're going to flow a bit more. So inhale into your half plank. Exhale as you come down. Inhale as you come halfway up. Or you can come a little higher, setting up for your up dog. And then exhale back into your child's pose. One more time. So breathe in, feeling the flow as you move forwards. Exhale as you come down. Inhale as you rise. And exhale back into your child's pose. Alright, tuck your toes in. Again, we're working ourselves back up. So walk your feet and then making your way into setting up for your sun salutation. So a little roll in the shoulders, 2 rounds, and we'll put some lunges in. So inhale, arms are up. Exhale, diving down. So when we lunge, we're gonna lunge, let's go with the right leg first, stepping back. Your hands can be on the knees or on the floor. Then back into your down dog. So push from the front heel. We go into our down dog. Now same thing with the plank series. This time we're going full series. So lean forwards, come into your plank. If it's too much on your toes, come down to your knees. Same sequence, we come down into your crocodile or chaturanga. And then we come back up into an up dog. And coming back to your down dog. Moving the spine in 6 different angles, especially in your sun salutation. Lunging, so bend your knees. If you need to, grab your knee, or the back of the knee, and shift the legs forwards. You can bring the back knee down. Cool. If your knees are up, that's all good, stay here. If your knees are down, let's set up. So bring your knees up, and we're coming into your fold. So you can have the hands on the front knee, and the back leg steps in, and just lift the hips up. That one bites a bit, hey? Then inhale, arms are up. Stay here, draw the arms to the back, place your fingers, and pull downwards. Now we're going to the other side, so breathing in. Just one more round on the left side. Exhale as you come down. Setting up your left leg, so step your left leg back. Inhale, hands down or up here. Then exhale, make your way down, push to the front as you breathe out. Coming back to your plank, inhale as you come forwards. Exhale as you come down. Inhale to rise. And exhale back to your down dog. So we're going to step that left leg forwards, but set yourself up, crouch a bit. Left leg comes forwards, big spring on the left foot. Knees down or up, doesn't matter. And then we're going to set ourselves up by lifting the back knee. Take a breath in. Then the back leg pushes. And exhale to your fold. Then inhale as you rise. Lace your fingers if you like. Exhale, lean back. And open through your chest. Then tuck your chin into release. And release your arms down. How are we going? That's probably, we're nearly done. Last little bit is some breathing practice. So just coming down to ground. The breathing practice is called the alternate nostril breathing or Nadi Shodhana. So I want you to use your right hand. I'll be totally opposite from you. So think about using your right hand, the thumb and the finger, the fourth finger. The idea is we're going to press the right nostril with our right thumb and the left nostril with our fourth finger. And the idea is we're going to press the right side, breathe in through the left, then we press in the left and breathe out through the right. Then we breathe back in, then we press the right side and breathe back out. Just be mindful that I am totally opposite from you, so think about it with the right hand. Try that. So let's give it a try. Just 2 fingers can rest on your forehead. You can support the arm from under. And let's begin. Pressing your right, breathe in through the left. Pressing the left and breathe out through your right. Then breathe back in through your right and breathe out through your left. That's 1 full cycle. We do 4 more. So breathing in again. Breathe out through your right. Inhale through the right. And exhale through your left. Start to feel the breath. So as you inhale, feel the cold air coming in. Then as you exhale through the right, feel the warm air leaving. Then the warm air turns to cold air as you breathe in back to your right. Then exhale down towards your left. Warm air. And start to feel the lift. As you breathe in, the whole body pulls upwards. As you exhale, the body gets pulled downwards. Then again it goes back to the opposite side, it gets pulled up. And then out through your left, it feels heavy as it comes down. Just do one more on your own pace. And then when you're done, release your hands down to your palms, keep your eyes closed, and just allow the breath to come in through both the nostrils at the same time. Give yourself a couple of deep breaths just to feel your breath more, feeling all the sensations. And then now lightly scanning your whole body. If there's any tingling or numbness or tightness, I want you to invite your out breath and just exhale as long as you can in those areas. If you're not sure of where the areas are, just bring your awareness maybe to your shoulders, your neck, maybe the chest, also the calves, or your hips. And just send an out breath and just notice whether the body releases it. I'm going to end the class in one final breath with the arms. So as you inhale, we're just going to circle the arms up. On the exhale, palm faces downwards, and slowly exhales all the way until your hands rest back onto your legs. Finding your breath again, your natural breath, slowly opening up the eyes. And with that, that is the end of the video. So that's the end of today's video. Please let me know what you think of it, and if you've got any ideas or suggestions, feel free to send in the message below, or give me a thumbs up if you like it. If you want more, give me a thumbs up as well. And thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoyed this video around yoga and fitness, push the like button to let me know you want to see more. While you're at it, hit the subscribe button down below to be in touch with more videos coming up.